Hi guys, I'm Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my favorite dupatta collection. Please do follow me on Instagram for more pictures and do watch the complete video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. So first is this netted dupatta with the black velvet leaf print all over the dupatta. I usually pair this dupatta with my black kurta, and this is a good option for evening functions as this material is little shimmery and it uplifts the whole outfit. You can pair this with the heavy earrings and a bright lipstick. Here I have paired a heavy chandbali earrings and a messy bun to complete the look. I got this dupatta a few years back, so I don't exactly remember from where and the cost of this dupatta. Next is this pulkari dupatta which I got from Amritsar local market. I really like the color of this dupatta, and there is this thread work all over the dupatta. You can pair such dupatta with your simple kurtis where the dupatta enhances the entire look. Here I have paired this with the chandbali earrings and a statement ring, and the cost of this dupatta was 500 rupees. Next is this silk bandhani dupatta in pink and red which I got from Sarojini Market, Delhi. You can pair this with your plain white kurta, which will look really nice. The dupatta is very light and of good material. Here I have paired a kundan earrings with this outfit, and the cost of this dupatta was 250 rupees. Next is this multicolor cotton bandhani dupatta. This is a very simple dupatta which can be worn on daily basis. This has a nice golden lace at the border, and there is this white prints all over the dupatta. Here I have paired this dupatta with a simple white kurta and completed this look with an antique chandbali earring. Next is this blue georgette pulkari dupatta which I got from Amritsar. There is a shimmery lace at the border and thread work all over the dupatta. And you can pair such dupattas with any plain kurtis. So I have paired this with a white plain kurta. Here I wore a pearl earrings which I got from Zaveri Pearls. The cost of this dupatta was 300 rupees. Next is this bright yellow Banarasi silk dupatta. And this is one such dupatta which everyone must have in their wardrobe. You usually find many color options in such kind of dupattas, and you can find this in any local market. I got this dupatta from a local market in Dharwad and it costed me around 400 rupees. This dupatta is very light and easy to carry. Here I have paired this with an antique jhumkis to complete the look. Next is this pink georgette dupatta with a gold and blue stone work all over the dupatta. I had worn this dupatta with my lehenga for my mehendi function, and you can pair such dupatta with your different outfit and create new look. The cost of this dupatta was 300 rupees and I got this dupatta from Jayanagar, Bangalore. Here I have worn the same pearl earrings to complete the look. Hope you guys like this video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.